Are you waking up tired even after 8 full hours of sleep? It's not just in your head. Your brain might be exhausted in ways you never knew. Because sleep is only one kind of rest, and there are seven. Let's break it down. Our modern lifestyle doesn't just tire out our muscles, it overloads our emotions, our senses, our creativity, and even our spirit. To truly feel energized, you need to rest all of you, not just the muscles. Physical rest includes sleep, of course. It also means stretching, massage, and slowing down your pace. Why? Because this is when our brain lymphatic system clears out the waste, like a nighttime cleanup room for your neuron. Mental fatigue is real. The prefrontal cortex, the decision-making part of your brain, can only take so much. When you do activities which are low stakes, like folding laundry, daydreaming, the default mode network kicks in and helps your brain to release. Bottling up the feelings can drain your limbic system. Emotional rest is about setting boundaries, expressing the truth, and letting go of the need to hold it all together. Labeling your emotion can actually calm the amygdala. Not all socializing is restorative. Some of it may even deplete. Social rest means spending time with people who recharge you, not with those who drain you. Oxytocin from the positive interaction can reduce the stress levels and boost your resilience. Your senses, eyes, ears, and touch gets bombarded all the day. Sensory rest is about turning down this noise literally, stepping away from the screen, dimming the light, or just enjoying the silence. Your thalamus, brain's sensory gatekeeper, will thank you. When is the last time you felt off? Creative rest isn't about producing, it is about receiving inspiration from nature, music, and art. This triggers dopamine release and activates the brain pathway which will help you connect the dots and think clearly. Spiritual rest is not always religious. It reconnects with your deeper values, whether time in nature or prayer or helping others. It activates the brain which are tied up with empathy and inner peace. In summary, think of energy like a bank account. Every task is a withdrawal, and the rest is the investment strategy. And the most successful people are not the busiest, they are the ones who have mastered the art of diversified rest. So, next time you feel wiped out, ask yourself, what kind of tired am I? That question could be the first step to real recovery. Because true rest is not a luxury, it's neuroscience. So, rest smart, recharge fully, and eat better. Like, comment, and subscribe for more brain-backed wellness tips. And remember to invest your energy every single day